Ambunge na maseneta ngaliko ya Ulei kuma kyamani cha Wiper na anyanyae ala mekeete kyamani cha DCP meweta Mwamulo wa minista wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen wa maovisa ma volisi wa Kuwatha enenthi ala meuthengeea vakuvi na isese cia volisi ila kwi maandamano ni Mwamulo unenganitwe ni President William Ruto wa mweene na ivango thingi thuku ya serikali kuendeea na kuwa mwika emergency mainene ya miakoni ya Ambunge Atongoi ni Atongoi ya ala ni mbungeni wala ni mbunge wa Kathiani Robert Mbui Atongoi ni malulumilia ngwatanio hii ya Ulei oyu na ivango na yimwe ya kuvetanga President William Ruto Musumbi ni kwisilanzia si utewa meya onakana makosa Musumbi kimi ya unyuvanini munene ukite wa mwaka wa 2021 Benjamin Mwaka na ile vote
Ndongoi icio limbungeni siweta wone Mwamulo unenganitwe imwe kwa imwe ni President William Ruto we mweene.
They were orders from above, and so the above can only be President Ruto, and what I got from that is that President Ruto has ordered the killings of innocent Kenyans.
People go to police station to seek protection. When you say now people don't go to police station, anybody go there should be shot dead, then I think that is very misled, and this is why Kenyans have a problem.
It's highly regrettable, unacceptable, and can only display your ignorance. Murkomen, I want to tell you, the police stations do not belong to you, neither the policemen and the policewomen.
Kikaloni kimbe ni maalumilia serikali ni ile kuosia matambi maki miao Atongoi mulengono wa serikali Gavana Ilovi Johnson Sakaja, Muyumbe William Kamket na mutai wa President maunduni mwa uchumi David Ndi kwa kuivita wandani mivango ya kutelemia na kulikilila maandamano ama muwe majenzi.
The leaders who have been quoted to incite violence are all part of the Kenya Kwanza regime. A current sitting governor was quoted threatening he will stamp his authority on demonstrators who attempt to destroy property. A member of parliament from Rift Valley and another one from South Nyanza were in newspaper headlines threatening to deal with demonstrators. The chairperson of the President's Council of Economic Advisors told demonstrators that before anyone left their home to go for peaceful demonstrations, they must say their final goodbyes to their friends and family. It is interesting to note that none of these individuals have been summoned to write any statements in any police station and to explain why they're inciting violence.
The people of Makueni know that I don't pay goons to do anything, or I don't pay people to go to maandamano. Maandamano is a voluntary thing.
Was Rigathi Gachagua all over the whole country, where the demonstrations took place. If it is Rigathi Gachagua who had directed this, then he must be very strong.
Ayumbe andi mavudhisya ukiwa wa serikali kana maandamano ama kwi iso manaina kelelo cha kutaka kuvindwa serikali umathikona miao.
Ni kama rais ameshindwa kuongoza nchi hii na anaongoza na uongo, ama kuna jama ambaye ipo ya tusifanye uchaguzi 2027. No one is interested to take power through the back door. This government will be removed constitutionally, and that is clear. They are counting their days and they know the date of election.
Let the young people register as Kenyans. Let them have an ID. Let them also register as voters when it comes. Let them vote in 2027 and at the same time protect the vote so that it cannot be stolen. It is the only hope President Ruto and his people have to come back to power.
Meweta mauvalu kuma serikali meumanitwe na kuvudhisya wasya wa mwika na nongina serikali ithukisya mwika na ithieka kulichangiwa ya ukavila maandamanoni ama jenzi.
For them to trivialize demonstrations that were happening countrywide and portray it as a Kikuyu affair, it was unfortunate.
Kuma vamusi nilovi dilivotia vilingwa mauvonye nita wa Benjamin Mwaka.